Hello and welcome to another episode of Man's Quest. In today's episode, guys, we're going to go through something I just bought today, and I thought, why won't I share it with you? So let's not call it an episode, just call it a random video. Went for a nice walk around central London, and I found a fantastic book that is almost in the size of me. Bought from Taschen, which is the famous bookshop. I got one of the nicest books I can imagine by my favorite painter ever, Mr. Rembrandt. And this one is 40 centimeters tall, which is pretty insane. And I thought, let's just do unboxing. So you get it in this thing. It's about 4 kilos. So much easier. Nice little bag, no? Put it here. And so this is the box as you see it. And here I am, gimbal. You can still see me. And behind it is Rembrandt. How beautiful is that? So, without further ado, let's open it. Oh, this is seriously big. So, let's do it in a dramatic fashion. And voila, look at that. I mean, isn't that beautiful? So, 40 centimeters long, 4-point-something kilos, and look at this. Wow! How amazing is that? So you can see me. And this is the back. It's pretty beautiful, isn't it? So, it's 4.5 kilos, it's 40 centimeters in height, and about, I think it's going to be 60 centimeters when you open it. But obviously, this is why it's called a coffee table. And now we're going to do a little bit of a... We'll open it and I'll show you some of the paintings. Let's do this. So, opening this wonderful book. How lovely is that? Now I'm going to use something a little fancy, which is the gloves. So I won't leave any fingerprints. I know it sounds a bit fancy, but it's a great use because the paper is chrome, and it's apparently the paintings have been printed on top of the black paper, so it brings a bit more depth or details. I'm not exactly sure. In order to avoid that, we're going to use this. Trust me, it's worth it. So this goes back in. I really like this bag. It's really fantastic. Right, so I'm gonna rise it a little higher. Maybe I should have done it before. There it is. And we're going to take this beautiful thing away. I really like it. Isn't that lovely? Okay. And there it is. Wow. I hope you can see it. And oh my gosh, even backwards it looks amazing. Even when you project a movie on a wall, if you put black tiles, you will have more detail. So I think that's kind of what they did here. Look at the width of this. It's literally, it's huge. And the detail, when you look at it from the side, is fantastic. If you like Rembrandt, or if you like other painters, they do have all these painters there. I mean, for me, Rembrandt is the mother or father of all kind of painting. It's coming to us from the Renaissance, if I'm not mistaken, and it really is the most beautiful thing. Renaissance or Baroque? 1630, that is the Baroque, not Renaissance. No, yes, yes, no, no, yes, it's the Baroque. So, look at that. I mean, the self-portraits are just fantastic. Oh my God, I don't want to ruin the book, but just so you get an idea. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my God. Look at that. So it's like you have all his works, and I mean, this is a 1 meter marble coffee table. So when you put it here, you really get to enjoy it more. So you can just move from one painting to another. One nice idea I've seen in the movie Melancholia, actually, Lars von Trier. If you have like a library and you have a little string, on the shelves, not library. Like if you have a shelf and you have a string, you can open the book and then you just keep it open with the string, so everything is open for you. Just noticed that's the oh, it's so beautiful, golden cover. I would always use this. It's a little bit more. It's protecting it from dust, from dirt, and it looks great. So yes, it keeps on going and keep on going. And I'm going to have, you know what, with these kind of books, I have the one with Caravaggio, which I had before. And it's just a beautiful thing because you can use it for months and you always see new paintings. First of all, you learn more about the paintings and you enjoy it every time you come in and out of the lounge. There is nothing more beautiful than kind of showing off a little bit of, the fact that you don't just know about art, you actually celebrate it. I think it's a wonderful thing. I have it also on the wall with a few shelves. So I think that's really beautiful. Look at that. Also, you get this kind of privilege of looking at it in detail. And in that kind of size of 40 centimeters height, you really get to appreciate the details down to the folding of the socks, which is amazing. I hope you can still see it. Oh my God, look at that. The portraits. I mean, that's how you'd see it in the museum. It's so beautiful, and the dark, I mean, especially on this dark marble, is going to be beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Every day, every week, you just turn the page, you learn about another, and you have the details in here so you can kind of know when it was painted, who has been painted, and you have the shapes. And honestly, I've never seen that before. The page is so black, it's kind of charcoal black, so you get to really see all the details in the painting itself. And I think with Rembrandt, I mean, I've been to the National Gallery Museum and I've seen the Rembrandt there, and the whole room, the wallpaper is black as well, if I'm not mistaken. I may be mistaken, but it was such an intense experience because the paintings are quite dark and quite I don't want to say sumptuous, but they're very intense, and if you put dark into it, it makes it a bit more intense. So definitely a treat. Again, more details. I mean, obviously you know Rembrandt. If you don't, shame on you. Go immediately and buy the book, or I don't even know if I can put you any links to Amazon, because I don't know if Taschen is selling on Amazon, but if I could, I will. It's the most beautiful thing. By the way, you don't have to buy it from Taschen. Buy it from anywhere. Taschen produced this, so if you want to get this particular one, you can get it. But otherwise, you have all sorts of things. Otherwise, from smaller books of kind of 20, 30 pounds. But this is obviously a masterpiece. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, if you want to see more about the book, if you want me to produce any particular videos about anything, don't hesitate to mention it. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. And if there is anything that you like, just vote with your likes, vote with your comments. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next episode. Take care.